Alright, so good evening everyone. Today we'll be going through how to create this simple flyer that you are seeing on the screen right now. So this is all my layers. As you see, I don't have much layer here. Just it's very simple to actually create. So I will just have to recreate this right from scratch and do everything right from scratch again. A quick one that won't take much time. So firstly I'll do this. I already have my background as white. My background is just plain white, so come to your background, come to color, just scroll down, change it to white. If you want to create it just the way I did it, that's why I'm showing you this. So I already downloaded, I don't think I sent this as what's it called, as a resources, but you can go to your Pinterest and download it yourself. Just go to Pinterest, search for Chrome background, and you'll see different type of background. So this is what I want to use right now, this golden one. So I'll click on it and I'll import it and stretch it, just stretch it to fit the way you want it to fit. And then what should I do next? Come to your layers, lock it down, then come to this downside. I hope you are seeing this. So you just scroll down, come to color filter, then decrease the saturation to 100 minus 100% or minus 100, sorry. So just click on check mark, then decrease the opacity to something around 6 or 5, not too really visible but it's still showing. So just put it to 5 and click on check mark. Now let's bring in our our model. I've already sent this one in the group, so you can just bring her in, then place her down there, somewhere around down here. If I'm going too fast, you can just watch the video over again. I don't want to waste too much of our time, and I'm trying as fast as I can go. So here we have her now. Let me check if this is accurate to what I have before. So you see it's slightly close to what I have before. It cannot be actually perfect the same time again. So you just create it and make sure it's just the way you just want it. Right now I'm just creating something I want for myself, so it's not something that we all generally need. And then what did I do? We bring in this, let's make use of our text. Let's create our text now. Now this is what I will do next. I'll create my grid line to measure the sizes of things I will be using, like the space I'll be using on the canvas. I'll be using this. I'll be using this size here right now. Yeah, this is all I would want to use. So let me lock our model, then do this. We'll come to text. Come to this A side, ensure you are clicking on here when you want to add your text, then click on this plus sign, just click on it. Now let's change this. I'll need my S first. S. So click on check mark. Now come to font, just scroll down to font. Then this is the font that I use here. This background noise font, that's what I use, and it's actually a default font on this Pixellab. So you can actually search for it if you can see and download it and install it on your Pixellab. I hope you've already known how to do that by now. So you can just search and download it online and install it on your Pixellab, or just find any font that is close to it or font that you feel like is okay with you. So I will just use this one. This is what I used before. Now come to your size and increase it, then bring it here. Now the color I use, this is the color. Come to your color, come to gradient. Now I use this color here. You can see the S is not actually plain black, it is one-sided black and one-sided faded. So let me show you the color, and you see that this side here is actually black, here. Then this side is black as well, but I decrease the the transparency. Instead of being black, I decrease the transparency, so I'm having something like faded black at this side. So just click on OK. You can actually create it that way, and you can try another method out if you feel like that's what you want to use. So click on check mark, and then you copy the text again. Just copy it, then you write your Saturday. It is Saturday. Then cancel the Y, cancel the S, then click on check mark. Now decrease this one, decrease it, place it at the center here, then copy this again, copy, change it to Y, and that's all. You are almost done. You are almost done. So I just decrease this Y. I don't give it the same size. So bring this one here, bring this, let's say here. Arrange your text very well. If I take the previous one I did, I think I've already spent time down. It's even much bigger than this. So let me just, don't let us use the past one, let's just recreate it now. So let me decrease this, put it here, then the Y2. You see, I'm not going beyond the margin line that I've already created, the grid line I've already created. So I'm not going beyond it. And to get your distance straight, create another grid line. This one here, just bring it up here so that everything will be straight. Then use your this thing, what's it called, the position. Use it to arrange everything to touch the line. Just use it to touch the line. So use it to touch the line this way. Give it a good spacing. And now what else did I do? I added stay happy, it's Friday. So I'll just click on my A. I ensure I'm on my A and I'm not clicking on anything inside here. I'm not clicking on this Y. If I click on this Y, I won't be able to do any other thing than delete and edit the Y. So I'll click outside it, then click on add text. Yeah, I will be able to add the text. What's it called? Stay happy. No, it's so this is all I have in. Then I come to my font. Yeah, where's the font I used? This one, it is called Creative Demo or something like that. This font here, Creative Demo or something. So just search it and look for, or just find any italic fonts and make use of it. So this is the one I make use of. Yeah, now I give it padding because one side of it is cutting out, so give it some padding. Let it be equal, so let's give it 10 so that when I click on this relative position and put it at the center, it will be at the center. So this is what I want here. I feel this one is even looking more catchy than the first one I did. That's just it. Keep creating and you get something much better every time you create and create again. So now let's move to the next one. What did I do next? I added what's it called, enjoy something like that. I've forgotten. Let me check. Yeah, enjoy, rest and reset. So add your text. This one I want to change it to, I feel like this is okay. It's giving me a contrast right now. It's giving me a contrast. If I change it to black, it will be much darker, but I want to leave it at this default ash color. So it's giving me a contrast. This is what I'm saying. If I click on this black, can you see that it turns deeper? But if I cancel it, it's kind of light, and I feel I like that one. I like the contrast. So I'll add the text, then edit. What did I even check now? Enjoy, rest and reset. Enjoy, rest and reset. So I'll bring this one here, then come to my fonts. I use another font for this. If I can still find it, it's like I used this. This is the font I used. What's the name? Let me check again. I installed the font, so you can install it as well. Find it and you can download it online. So Awaken. So just download it and install it on your Pixellab. Then change the color. let me use the same color I used here, this one. So just place it here. So place it here. The margin, I'm using the line now to trace everything I'm arranging inside here. So I'll leave it this way. Then I want to add another text where I will have something that I write here. I don't even remember. So this today is something like that. Let me just enjoy. So now you can now try and recreate this. This is a way you can go about it. Instead of doing same thing I did here, you can just change this heading. You can try to change this heading. You can try to change the heading, and or just leave the heading the same way and leave the enjoy reset. Just go to your ChatGPT or any AI you are making use of, and then type it to it to give you a short write-up that you can put on your flyer. So instead of writing this long one that I put here, I even feel like this is too much. So I can just let me just bring it to the front. Click here to bring it to the front. Then I'll close the eye. Then I want to make use of this one. This girl right here, our model. I want to adjust her. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm seeing more clarity than even the one I sent or I did earlier. So I have this one here now. Enjoy the moment, your body and mind, reset your energy and what's ahead. I feel this is short and very okay. So I gave it bold before. I will cancel it now and leave it this way. So this is what I want to do. Let me show you the font I use. I use Poppins for this one. This is the Poppins here. So this Poppins, I feel we should all have this by now, and if you don't, you can just download and install it on your Pixellab. So I use Poppins for that one. Then I'll just arrange it. I'll just get it close to this line. This is getting too long. I don't know what's going on here. So let me just close the padding. It's having a padding. So let me just close the padding and see what it will give me. Yeah. So I have something like this now. I have this and I feel I'm okay with this. Yeah. So let me add the last resources that I sent inside the group. Should have it by now. So I'll just add that one. It's a bell actually. This blurry bell. So this is what I just do to this bell now. I just bring it to this corner and increase it. See, like this. It's giving me that effect of a party or something like that. Just the ribbon. So that's how you can just go about making use of your resources. You don't have to really show everything. Just right now, you'll just be seeing something like a party, a blurry something. Everything will just be coming to your mind. But to get it, actually, you have to be an idolo, an odugu, or what will I call it? A witchcraft to get it. So that's just everything about it. And then I added, let me copy this, copy the text. I'll just lock this on. So I'll copy the text, then change it. I'm using my own brand name, that word. I feel I even forgot to even introduce myself before the beginning of the video. Oh, it's fine, get to know it now. I'm that word. So bring it here. Then the size is 12 is okay, so just bring it down to the line, or let me bring it up a little bit, give it a space. So let me adjust my grid line. So just let it be on the grid line. Then what else did I do? I bring in X logo because that's actually my username on X. So I bring in the X logo. Where is it? So you can just go on Pinterest, download the X logo, and import it on your this thing. So let me just use this one. Now come to your, what's it called, once you import it, just scroll down to this erase color, click on it, just on it, then increase it, try to increase it to the fullest. Once it's on the fullest and you did not see the black fading out, leave it like that, click on check mark, then decrease it. No, before you decrease it, come to your color, come to color, on the color, so that you will erase all the white side on it, then click on black again and then decrease it. Actually, at the end of the video I'll be showing another trick of going with your colors and everything. I'm just brainstorming that right now. If you can see, we have been designing on white and black since, so we will just play around a little bit after we are done with the design. So what else should we do? Bring in your shape. Just I think I go too fast on that one. So you bring in your shape, click on the shape, just, what would I call it, just close it up, close it and stretch it a little bit. Try to place it in the middle here, put it here, then change the color to the fading color that we had before for that gradient. This one side black and one side fading. Then I want to increase the fading a little bit. I want to increase it like this, so it will be much lighter on the other end. Then I'll click on check mark. Now as I'm done, I will still drag this one, I'll still drag it closer so that I will have that thin line very well. Then I'll place it at the middle. But once I place it at the middle, you know that I'm having text on one end and I'm having a logo on the other end, so it will be more shifted to one side than the other one. So I'll just want to adjust it and make it feel like it's actually at the center. By the time you are seeing it, you feel like, oh, this thing is at the center, but no, I already shifted it. I've changed its destiny. Let me just adjust this. Now this is where the work is, trying to adjust and place everything very well. That's only the issue we have here. So now decrease the opacity. I don't want it to be too visible. Yeah, this is looking good. You see that word, you see the X logo straight up. That's just a function of line. If you've been following the class since the first day, this is another function of line that you'll be seeing. So you can increase the opacity and you have it here. That's it. Then what else should we do? Now we already have our what's it called, we already have our design ready. Now we want to create a contrast with our colors and everything. You can do something like this enjoy, rest and reset. Enjoy, what do you feel like we should put to enjoy? Enjoy is more like energetic and stuff like that, so let's use something like red color. So I'll just come to your color, click on the text you want to change, drag this highlight here, drag it to the enjoy part, then let's change it to red. I want something more light. And is it light or dark? Let me just put it as light. Enjoy, rest. Should we put something like green, as she is wearing green as well, and she even have red scarf? So let's make that rest green color. Let's make the rest green color. Let's make the red, green. No, I want something good. Let me just pick it from my dress. So this green is kind of from my dress. So okay. So we have rest. Let me change that onto green as well. Rest and reset. What should we put to reset? Let me see. Reset. We are resetting. Should we use something like blue or orange? Blue. Let's try blue. Blue is not working. Orange. I think orange should blend with it. Orange. Yeah, this is going very well. So red. Enjoy, reset. Enjoy, rest and reset. So that's that. And then this one, you can just change it to something like orange. This heading, change it to orange. This text here, let's change some parts. Let's highlight some parts with another color. So this rest your energy, or what is there? I don't even know. this your kinikon energy. Reset your energy. Let's put it as orange. Then click on check mark. Now this Saturday, let's see, we change the color to something like, let's change the color. Let's pick green from her. Then the other end is black. Then we'll pick color again. Light green. Okay, let me just decrease this opacity. Decrease the opacity so that I can have this blending color. Now we are creating a riot color here right now, so let's change this Y2 to maybe this. This is looking actually cool. Let me change this too. So let me change it to this. So I feel something is blending here, but it's not really blending. What is off? I don't know. What is off? Let's do it this way. Then if this is coming like this, then let's change the color this way. Flip it and click on check mark. So we have something like this, but it's looking kind of too light, so let's make it deeper. Let's make this go deeper. This deep a little bit, then light here. Okay, yeah. So let's make this to, let's change the color entirely to something like this, and this, make this one go deeper. And okay, so this one right here, what should we do to it? It's looking kind of off, so let's do something like this. Let me check this one too. I don't know, I feel like this is looking good, and is still not looking good still. Anyways, it's like I'm already taking our time, so I'm just exploring right now, trying to figure out a certain color. So let me see this color. Let me see this one. Okay, let's give it this color here. So now what did I do? I just make the color the lighter part to be at the top and the darker part to be below. So this one I will have to adjust the color, bring the lighter down so that it will meet the range of the bigger ones. So here we have it. It's giving the color now. You see that actually I designed it in what before, white and black, just white and black. Then once I'm done with the setup, and the setup is already looking fine, even the one I sent to the group is white and black. Now I navigate my colors and try to figure out some things. That's just the way you can try to get to know more. And by the time you are designing something like this for any other brand, you get to know that okay, if I use green directly, that this will work. If I use orange and green, it will perfectly work together, just the way we set it here. And that's how you can improve your skills. So I feel we are done here. See you in the next class. Then take care if you like. And I'm seeing something else. Is this even visible? Yeah, it is. So click on your save, click on save image, click on png, then click on ultra and click on save to gallery. And we are done. And I feel you guys already see how it works. All the what's it called, the design principles and the elements that we've been talking about, everything is still going on inside here. The Saturday was created with the typography. What's there again? We see the line and we see uses of icon and everything, and that's just everything that has to do with it. Yeah. And your alignment, that alignment is very, very important. You see that I make use of this grid line to create every alignment, and you see that everything is looking smooth and clean. That's how you can just do it. Make use of your grid line to create your alignment. I'm aligning this one to this edge now. I feel like I should just do it this way, but it's not working very well, so I'll just leave it the way it is before. And nothing is passing this margin, nothing is passing it. And if I bring it closer like this, you see that everything is still on a straight line. everything is still on a straight line. If it is not, you adjust it back to a straight line, and this too is also okay. So that's how you can just go about it. Then we'll meet again in the next